see the style. How'd it do? Oh yeah, that is a good look. That's pretty good.
This is what my hairdryer looks like.
Let me see. We'll back up. We'll do a little one of these. Ethan was just showing us how that he can dry his hair
Dad, can I
with a
start it
Honda.
up?
Go ahead, start it up. It's a little bit heavy to start, huh?
Yeah.
Here, we'll get over here where we get a... Okay, well, that was our demo. Pretty sweet.
This isn't our done yet.
We're not done with it yet?
Can you do it?
All right, let me help you. Okay, here goes. Demo number 2. Sweet.